Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 10th of June. I'm James Spann. Moist air lingers today with scattered showers and storms, but most of you will be dry tomorrow. Check things out this morning. There's the upper look. We have broad troughing here across the southeastern states, and again, very moist air, so we'll see a few storms developing later. Mostly low and mid-70s to start the day, highs in the 80s today. Around the nation, pretty cold in the western states, seeing some 30s and 40s. They've had mountain snow out there over the weekend here in mid-June. There's the watch warning map. Got a flash flood watch for parts of western North Carolina, southwestern Virginia, and parts of California with heat advisories in effect. Looks like an excessive heat watch out around Las Vegas as they'll be under a ridge this week. Good news, no organized severe storms expected across the country today. But again, we have the risk of scattered showers and storms later. Tomorrow should be a dry day for most of Alabama. Got a marginal risk over the Great Plains. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, got a marginal risk kind of clipping the far northeastern tip of Alabama. With a cold front coming in, we'll have a few scattered showers and storms on Wednesday. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Bigger numbers where they really don't need it. Around Tulsa and Springfield, Missouri, Wichita, Kansas, Fort Smith, Arkansas. Also pretty wet for the northeast United States and for parts of South Florida. In Alabama, the amount's under 1 inch for most locations between now and Monday of next week. And we'll talk about the day-by-day chances here as we go with modeling. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, 4 o'clock this afternoon. Got broad troughing over the southeastern states and a sharp trough over the Great Lakes. And again, scattered showers and storms forming by midday through the afternoon and evening hours. Chance of any one spot getting wet today, about 4 in 10. Tomorrow, though, we should be dry, at least for most of the state. Now, if you're down in Dothan or Ozark, you might see a shower there in the southeastern tip of the state. But again, elsewhere, mostly sunny with low to mid-80s. Very comfortable with dew points coming down. Dew points come down in the 50s. Be a pretty dry air mass, a different feel to the day. Now, Wednesday, we got a front coming in, trailing that surface low near Chicago, and that could kick off a few scattered showers and storms, mainly Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening. Not too widespread, but some of you could get wet. And then Thursday, a really nice pop of dry air drops in here. Sunny, low humidity, highs in the 80s. And Friday in the morning, we could see 50s in many places. It'll feel good. And then during the day, the high in the mid-80s, the humidity stays low. What about the weekend, you ask? Well, this is Saturday. If you're over the northern half of the state, you'll be dry, mostly sunny with highs in the upper 80s. Will start to heat up. There could be a few scattered showers near the Gulf Coast. And then Sunday, we'll need to mention a chance of showers statewide as moisture increases. But again, not an all-day rain. Highs probably upper 80s. And a week from today, this is Monday the 17th, trough coming into California. Got a vortex over eastern Canada and a front north of the state, and that suggests a chance of scattered showers pretty much statewide, but again, nothing too widespread. Let's go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, the 17th. Kind of a northwest flow aloft here. That looks relatively quiet. This is the rain coming off the European ensemble. Again, the green line suggesting rain amounts about 2.5 inches. And again, this is out 15 days. Really, the European not showing much at all this week or over the weekend, but next week it kind of ramps things up a little bit. And these are the highs off the GFS ensemble. 80s this week. In fact, you can see a couple of days, maybe low 80s, and the ensemble's trying to print 54 for Birmingham on Friday morning. I don't think it'll be quite that cool in the city, but some of the outlying areas could easily see that. It'll feel awfully nice. And then upper 80s to near 90 for much of next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.